morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn a new poem. The dog says. All students, repeat after me. The dog say. Wow, wow. The dog say. Wow, wow. The cat says. Meow, meow. The cat says. Meow, meow. The sheep says. Meow, meow. The sheep says. Meow, meow. The pig says. The pig says. The watch says. Tick-tock. The watch says. Tick-tock. The hen says. Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. The hen says. Cluck, cluck. And the cock says. The cock says.